What I like most about teaching in a small town like St. Helens is that everyone tends to know each other. This creates a strong sense of community where us teachers can often build meaningful relationships, not only with our students, but our families and the wider community. My favorite thing to do on the weekends is to go to my students' sporting events or plays or other things that they're involved in. It's important to me that I support my students both in and out of the classroom. Being in a small town, I'm able to do that, and I feel a greater sense of fulfillment knowing I'm making a tangible difference in the lives of my students who I get to see grow up in the community for years to come. It's been extremely rewarding seeing my former students move up through the middle and high school and become wonderful community leaders.
The biggest reason that I love working in St. Helens School District is because of the community. The community of St. Helens is tight-knit. I would say people come together when anyone is in time of need. I've seen so many different things happen to different families, and the community just pulls together to help out and lend a helping hand. These kids are my extended family. I know that my husband thinks that I have all these kids, and I truly do. Being here for 25 years plus, I run into kids who are working now in our community, and I'm like, wow, I'm so proud of you. And I had them in first or second grade. To me, that's just unbelievable. It makes me very proud to be an educator here in this district. And in this community.